Are you excited to start building your very first $1 million application with Android Studio? I think yes. We will start building an Android application, but without the $1 million. Let's start with new project. Select empty views activity. You can select empty activity if you are dealing with Jetpack Compose, but we are using the views for now. So I'll start with next. Here you can name your project Hello World. Set the package name. The package name is a unique identifier for your Android application on the Play Store and Android devices. It follows the reverse domain name convention. com mastercoding.helloworld. Com top level domain name. You can use, for example, .io. My website is mastercoding.io. The mastercoding organization or developer name, and Hello World, which is the name of the app. The save location. Save location is the file path where your project will be stored on your local machine. You can select here and browse where you save your project. Language, you can select Java or Kotlin. Kotlin, which is recommended. Official preferred language by Google for Android development. Java, older language, but still widely used in many Android projects. You can select Kotlin or Java. Minimum SDK. Minimum SDK specifies the lowest Android version your app can run on. For example, it is 24. Why it matters? It affects the range of devices your app will support. Lower SDK, more device coverage, but fewer modern features. Higher SDK accesses to the new features, but fewer support devices. Build configuration language refers to the scripting language used in your Gradle build system to configure project dependencies, build types, and settings. We have two options, the Kotlin DSL and the Groovy DSL. It's recommended to use Kotlin DSL. Why Kotlin DSL? Better syntax highlighting and type safety, auto-completion in Android Studio, and consistent with Kotlin-based Android projects. Kotlin DSL is a Kotlin-based syntax for writing Gradle build scripts instead of traditional Groovy scripts. Benefits of Kotlin DSL: type safety, fewer runtime errors, auto-completion, readable syntax, and consistency aligns with Kotlin-first Android development practices. Now we're going to select Finish, and here we go. Wait for Android Studio to download the Platform 34. Okay. After installing Android SDK platform, click Finish. And wait for Android Studio to finish building the project here and here. And here we go. This is our very first Android application called Hello World. Don't worry, we're going to deep dive into the user interface of Android Studio. But for running our application, we need to click this green triangle. Run the application, and you can select from the available devices. The app is launched. And we need to hide this console. And here we go. This is our emulator displaying our Android application called Hello World. Congratulations, guys. We succeeded in this video in running the application on virtual devices and on emulator.